Hello Aries, welcome to my channel, The Signs of Tarot. It has been a hot minute since I have been on my channel. Thank you so much for your loyalty and staying subscribed. I am back. Tarot is my life. I'm so happy to be back on this YouTube channel. I can't even tell you. If you are new to the channel and you just found me randomly, please do me a favor, go down to the comment section. Let me know what city, state, country, continent you are watching this from. I'm doing a collective reading. That means it does not matter what sign you are because, well, we have so many signs in our chart that it's hard to just pigeonhole a sign for a reading. And I know that that is done all across the boards here on YouTube, and I do it as well. But today, whoever is meant to get these messages, well, you will migrate to my channel for sure. And this is for any of the signs. Let me see in the camera if you can see my cards or if it's too dark. Trying to adjust the lighting a little bit here. We start you off with the willow tree on with the Wisdom of the Trees Oracle. I'm going to cut the deck 3 times. I'm using a double decker, the Rider-Waite. That is my signature. If Spirit wants to come through with a message, it typically comes through with the same card more than once. Excuse me. The bottom of the deck, 3 of Cups, Tower, shit. Queen of Pentacles. Twice. This is why I use a double Rider-Waite to get it back to back, both reverse. That is a message coming through very strong from the universe. 10 of Cups in reverse. 5 of Wands. Getting a little bit better. Emperor. Okay, guys, I'm going to keep this raw and I'm going to keep this real because that's what I do with the Signs of Tarot. This is a tough reading for whoever this is for. I'm also going to use I'm going to take 2. The literary witches, but I take the symbols, all of the symbols that are in all the old-time literature greats are in this deck, and I'm resonating with this deck so much. Book and wall. Okay. Without further ado, I'm going to dive right into this reading. We're going to start off with the Wisdom of the Tree Oracle so I can get an energy read, and we get the willow. It's a very lonely time for whoever this is resonating with. The willow tree is by the riverbank by itself with a harp, and the harp is not being played. This is a sign of depression a little bit, of sadness, of being alone and feeling lonely. The musical instrument is there, but no one is playing music. That tells me somebody's muse is turned off right now because they're deep inside their own mind. And obviously, to get the Tower here, right next to the Queen of Pentacles in reverse twice, with the 10 of Cups in reverse. This is a tough read. I'm keeping it real, but obviously somebody needed to get this message. I mean, the Tower, the scariest, most prolific card in the tarot deck, universally designed to come into your life and bring it all down so that you can rebuild. The Tower is a redirect from the universe. It's almost like the hammer of the gods slamming down and saying, we gave you so much, so many choices. We showed you so many red flags. We gave you so many signs and so many synchronicities, and you turned your head. The truth is, you're not on your right path right now. And the universe needs to come in with the lightning bolt, take the whole damn building down so you can rebuild brick by brick by brick by brick so that you can understand the importance of every brick that you create. Amazing. That the final card I pulled was the Wall, and we'll go into that. The Tower comes down when the universe says you're not living your best life ever. You are not doing what you need to do to bring out your best self, to follow your soul, to nurture your soul. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse twice. Yeah, you may have to leave a relationship. There may be financial loss. You may be afraid. Will you have a home to live in? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse twice is the most unstable queen in the deck when she was once the most stable. What you thought was your 10 of Cups, your happiness, thinking that this is a relationship, could always be a job, put it where you belong. This is for a collective reading. It could be many things right now. You were once so stable, and something shined a light and made you realize that you weren't stable at all. Did you find out your spouse was cheating? Did you find out that somebody was cheating, lying, stealing from you? Did you wake up one day and your spouse was just gone, ghost? Did you wake up one day and The doors of your business were locked and you had no idea that your career and the company you worked at for so many years was shutting their doors. And now how are you going to make a living? This is treacherous energy sandwiched with the willow of being alone and feeling isolated. So whoever this is resonating with, I promise you, better days are coming. But this was divinely orchestrated for you to take a look at your life and say, who the hell am I trying to kid? I've been walking down a path that has never been me, okay? Now I'm going to share with you a few other insightful meanings of some of these cards because it's coming to me and I'm letting you know. Queen of Pentacles in reverse twice is drug use. It is overindulgence in my world. It is money being used for the wrong things. Okay, and with the Ten of Cups, and the Ten of Cups pouring out next to double Queen of Pentacles, it tells me alcoholism had some sort of a play here. I also have the Seven of Cups in reverse. So I don't know if you are separating from somebody who drank. I don't know if you are leaving a relationship with somebody whose alcoholism really destroyed you financially. I mean, I got the Three of Cups in reverse, the Seven of Cups in reverse, and Ten of Cups in reverse. That points towards alcoholism, elixirs, overindulgence. May not be alcohol, could be opioids, could be pills, could be something. This is an overindulgence that drained you financially, and the tower's coming down for you to rebuild your life. This also tells me family and friends tried to help with the situation, and their help fell on deaf ears. I don't know what this is, who this is relating to, but you know, God bless if this is you. If this is you coming with a realization that you got to put yourself in rehab, that you need to really regroup, stop doing destructive behavior in your life. This could have cost you your marriage, your life, your kids, your business, or you're leaving a situation to where you're leaving in a spouse who is losing their kids, their family, their house, their money, their monetary value. After a lot of fighting, a lot of emotional fighting. I get so many mixed emotions with the Five of Wands. Sometimes I think it's nonsense, just bullshit, nitpicky stuff. Other times I feel like it's my Civil War card, head versus heart decision. Well, you're making a head over heart decision with this situation because it's time for you to go. And right now you feel tremendously lonely. Even music is not connecting with you. And for whoever this is resonating, if you play a musical instrument, if you write, if you're a songwriter, if you're a poet, whatever you are, your muse is not speaking right now, you are not picking up your instrument, it's because you're undergoing the biggest life change of your life that I promise you will be for the better. This is redirecting you into a whole new life if you let it, if you embrace it. Because look what I get in the center of my read here. The Knight of Pentacles, the most confident, independent woman in the deck. She's learned to take care of herself with 6 pentacles and then give 3 instead of the other way where she gave 6 and took 3 for herself. Okay, that is what your outcome will be if you have the courage. Now, if this is monetary loss and if you're homeless, my heart is going out to you in a very big way. Turn to your friends and family. They may still be able to help you. You're not alone. There are people out there who can help you. Okay, but understand this is courage. For whoever I'm reading for, I feel that you're leaving a situation that has been a never-ending cycle, a never-ending loss, and at a relatively older age. Now that could mean anything to anybody, that you are restarting from the ground up, literally from the ground up. The tower's coming down, you're going to rebuild your walls brick by brick, you're going to appreciate every brick, you're going to have a path, you're going to fill that path, you're going to achieve goals. This is ordainedly divided, divinely directed. I don't know how else to say it. The tower is slamming it down and redirecting your whole life. You know, if this is not happening to you and this is right around the corner, be prepared to understand that there's financial loss that you don't even see. Bank accounts you thought you had that might have been closed years ago. Your spouse, your significant other, your business partner, your comrade, whoever this is, did a number on you. And my heart bleeds for you on that. The Emperor in reverse. Underneath the 10 of Cups, they knew what they were doing. They were manipulative. They did what was best for them. They didn't care about the whole. They couldn't see the forest through the trees. And if that is somebody who is overindulging, because I have overindulging, pills here, overindulging, and shutting out family here, they're going to feel very isolated right now, as you do. But guess what? You are changing your life around to become the Pre-Empress. I promise you, what these cards are showing, that is, if you have the courage to leave, walk away, rebuild yourself brick by brick, create walls, create boundaries, be extremely discerning who you allow in your life and what you allow in your life. And then here's your killer thing that you need to know about. Write a book about your experience. It will be a bestseller, and that's going to be where your financial turnaround is. If you're a songwriter, write lyrics again. If you write prose, if you write screenplays, if the written word connects to you, if you're a speechwriter, if you're a teacher, if you're a professor, write it down, journal it. Not only will that get it out of your system and make you see things and see things more clearly, it might become a next bestseller because you're writing down your emotions. This is what you end up being. Successful, planting new seeds, building a garden, divinely guided, the bird. Somebody said that that was a hawk to me, so I'll take that. A bird on her. Whenever a bird touches any of my characters and any of my tarot decks, it's what I call touchdown. It's when the universe, God, Jesus, Allah, Buddha, whatever is your higher source, connects with you and lifts you to a higher elevation. I'm going to say that there's a chance that your spouse, your significant other, the person that you feel indulged too much, drank too much, spent all of your money, created the tower moment for you so that you could rebuild your life again. I don't think that they're well. When I get those combinations, also with a pentacle pointing down to me, that there's sickness. So I want you to prepare yourself that they may end up really with kidney issues, liver issues, or problems from what they did. I honestly believe with these cards right now, many of this went behind your back and you never thought it was as bad as it was. You know, sometimes when we're married, we just get involved. We get involved with our jobs, our children, our life. We don't see things as is, and things go by day to day, and I kind of feel that's what happened to you. Trust me, I relate to that more than you can imagine. Write it down. Journal your experience, your thoughts, your feelings, your spiritual elevation. It could turn into a bestseller. I know that this was a very tough read. It was a very tough read for me as my new entrance back onto my YouTube channel, but for whoever this is resonating for, allow the tower to drop. Rebuild your life. It's going to turn out great. You're going to become a novelist, a speechwriter, professor. People are going to want to hear what you have to say. All right, namaste. God bless. Take care of yourself. Have faith that the universe knows what it's doing for you.